ka Government Boys High Secondary School Jowai Haka khandai tarik nailur ka Sdang ka Taiew Lehkmen jong ka Skul ka bala kyrteng Exuberance arhajar arpusaw batkum kadak ka jingsdang lawan pynher ka lama jong ka Skul da Mewothi Nongpluh Executive Engineer PWD Building Jowai ubala longru kongsan Haka jingialang bala phylaw kanihi ka Skul. Yakani ka jinglehkmen la pynkreh ryngkat ka phang ka boong. Unlock your potential, discover, compete, and shine. Haka jingialang bala penyat tu S.Dkhar layo ka jingkren pedang na ka Principal Govt Boys ka Safetycare Bareh ka jingmat phang halor kani ka jinglehkmen na ka Secretary Exuberance arjar arpusaw ka Dayarisa Lyngdoh layo ka mass drill na kikhna Skul. Kongsan Mewothi Nongpluh habakren ulong baka Skul kadi kaway kalat kongsan tam ka baplilat banyo peni kisap kipang babunjat lah ka jingilek kai sports karwai ka shot ka put ka tem ka sap drodur bat kiway. Lapen kut ia ka jingialang da ka jingkren ai kublay na ka Vice Principal ka Luwela Mary Linra.
I declare that the Exuberance 2024 open. Thank you.
Firstly, I would like to thank our chief guest, Nongpluh, Executive Engineer PWD Building Jowai, for taking out his valuable time to be with us on this special day. Your presence will definitely uplift today's program and the days to come. I'm also grateful, sir, for your assistance in renovating the computer lab and the painting done in the classrooms, making the four walls more attractive. Secondly, I would like to thank a very special person.
Opportunity to showcase your creativity through various forms of expression through different kinds of competition. Exuberance 2024 is to unlock your potential. School is the place where you can unlock your potential. It is very important to know what is your talent, what is your potential. School is the only place where you get the chance to show your potential. You are lucky. The teachers, the principal, and everyone involved in making this exuberance. During our days, we do not have this kind of opportunity. I can say you are very lucky that you have this kind of opportunity to showcase your talents. And I must congratulate the principal, the vice principal, and all the teachers for taking all the pain and giving no stone unturned to make this Exuberance 2024 a success. And I urge upon all of you, and I request all of you to take part, to participate, and you will unlock your talent through this Exuberance 2024. As we all know, all of you cannot become engineers. All of you cannot become doctors, all of you cannot become teachers, but through this Exuberance 2024, who knows, you may unlock your potential, maybe into the field of dancing, maybe into the music, or into art, painting, so on and so forth. So therefore, I request all of you, my dear students, to kindly take part in this competition. And you also should step out of your comfort zone. You should step out and take part. You should not be complacent in the present environment and your present situation. By participating in this kind of competition, you will come to know what is your talent. Because God has given every one of us equal opportunity, equal brain. Nobody is inferior to anybody. All are equal, I can say, but the only difference is that it depends on who work hard and who find out his talent so that he can nurture or he can groom his talent. Therefore, I wish that this exuberance, by the end of the week, it will finish on a high note, and many of you will discover your talent. Once you discover your talent, then next comes the stage of competition. Now we are living in the stage of competition. Everywhere there is competition. They say it is the survival of the fittest. Only the brilliant, only the fittest, only the work hard, those only will survive. Therefore, we are living now in the days of competition. If you want to become engineer, you have to write the competitive exam. If you want to become doctor, you have to write a competitive exam. If you want to go into the art stream, you have to write a competitive exam. You cannot simply join the EDSC without this entrance exam.